also I want to I'm also learning what an OTT can do. There are many surprises in the reaction of this film. I don't think I've had this kind of response for any film.
क्लास में ना जब बच्चे बहुत पढ़ाई करके आते हैं एग्जाम से पहले और बच्चे बोलते हैं कि हाँ अच्छा ही होगा, उसके बाद जब रिजल्ट आते हैं ना और जो सारे पेरेंट्स आ जाते हैं, अरे वाह, मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आई जब मैंने अमर सिंह चमकीला देखी, क्योंकि ये स्टूडेंट पहले टॉपर थे ही, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि द लव दैट हैज कम फॉर द फिल्म, आई हैव अ फीलिंग इट्स surpassed people's expectations also with the great Imtiaz sir, but in a different zone. Sir, congratulations, thank you so much हमें मिलने के लिए.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And loved every bit of it. But मुझे लगता है कि every bit of it has been liked so much. Are you also surprised by the overwhelming response?
The response is overwhelming for sure. I had not set a parameter that I'm expecting this kind of response or that, but it is overwhelming. It's very loving. The response is very loving. I'm not getting like so that is what I admire the most. I feel that, and you know, strangely this particular message has been coming from various quarters. Thank you very much for making this film.
Yeah.
So this is a very moving thing to hear.
मैं जब पिक्चर देख रहा था, मैं हर एक चीज में घुस गया था. तो एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक और चीज भी है, दिलजीत पाजी का टाइम चल रहा है. कोई आर्टिस्ट का अगर टाइम चल जाता है तो आई थिंक इट जस्ट ब्यूटीफुल दैट, यू नो,
जैसे चमकीला कहता था ना कि अपना वक्त है.
बिल्कुल. सो दैट वाज देयर ऑफ कोर्स, बट एवरी सिंगल कैरेक्टर. अब जैसे दिलजीत पाजी के दोस्त थे, 83 में भी मैंने उनको देखा था. ही वाज अ ब्रिलियंट एक्टर. So he was brilliant in that movie. I said, हाँ, कब देखेगा, मैंने यहाँ देख लिया. It's almost from the casting, and जैसे कि हमने पहले भी जो डिस्कशन की थी कि लाइव म्यूजिशियंस थे, but the enormity of what you have done with this movie, मेरे को बाद में दिखा, the difficulty of the film also was tremendous. एक तो सारे लोगों को मैच करना है, दूसरी बात यह है कि ठेठ पंजाबी करवानी है. परिणीति ने भी बोला मुश्किल था उसके लिए, फिर वो सीखी है. It was very difficult. Did you feel it while you were making it that, you know, I've got to make sure like a orchestra guy ना, as a director तो करते ही हैं, but इसमें बहुत सारे movable elements थे.
Yeah, so firstly the team was very enthusiastic. I've got, this was really a dream team. I know that people say that a lot, but I truly feel it was. And there was Jassi Sangha who was heading the research, and in every aspect, we used to try to make sure, whether it is sound, details of dialect or costume or any historical reference that we have given, that we are authentic. We used to check it from multiple sources. And that was there. The difficulties that we were very aware of. The fact that ये तो पंजाबी singer था, Hindi picture बना रहे हैं, so how are people going to even understand the lyrics? The lyrics were the important thing. Those were the reasons why a lot of things happened to his life, good and bad. So how will the audience that speaks Hindi understand that?
बिल्कुल.
And we wanted really to take it into, like, anybody in any language should be able to like this film, understand this film, because I knew this has a universal appeal. This subject has a universal appeal. So uske liye na, every difficulty that came, fortunately for me, luckily, I could think, or we could think of a way to make it into an opportunity.
Correct.
For instance, there was this difficulty that how do we show hundreds of women falling down when the roof breaks?
That was incredible orchestration.
Yeah, so then we thought ये तो बड़ा बुरा लगेगा, because when actually 100 women fall, it will be very painful.
Of course.
But then we've got to show it in a way that it's a part of a kind of celebration.
और वो चल रहा है, वो बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा है.
बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा है, कैसे होगा, उसको कहते थे कोठा टाउ कलाकार. So we suddenly thought of animation. You know,
that's animated?
Yeah, that's 2D animation, na?
Brilliant.
That's 2D animation. So then, and we made it obvious that it is animation. So then we used animation right through in the film.
Correct.
Also, I did not want to show Chamkila smoking, because, you know, this is also my personal thing that I try not to show anybody smoking in my films.
Correct.
Generally. So फिर ये कैसे करें? And we don't want anybody to actually, feel bad that why did a certain actor smoke and things like that. So we have also done that in the comic book style, and it contributes to the larger myth of Chamkila, so to speak.
बहुत सारी लेकिन चीजें ऐसी हैं जो मैं जब देख रहा था, एंड आई टेल यू समथिंग, मैं पिक्चर में विद ओपन माइंड गया था। आपसे बातें हुई हैं, रहमान साहब से बातें हुई हैं, परिणीति से मैंने सुना था, बट व्हेन आई सॉ द फिल्म, म्यूजिक मेरे लिए बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी रही मेरी।
हाँ.
जब मैं प्लेन म्यूजिक सुन रहा था, एक बहुत अलग फील आया मुझे। जब फिल्म के दौरान मैं जब पिक्चर में म्यूजिक सुन रहा था, बहुत ही अलग फील आई। It somehow was a very strong character in the movie, of course, because of his music also. But जिस तरह आपने even angst दिखाया था, I think post edit में जिस तरह आपने इसको पिरोया, this was beautiful. Normally you'll have songs that would be standing out. यहाँ stand out कुछ नहीं था. You know, did a lot of people say that to you also कि that they गाने ज़्यादा feel हुए जब पिक्चर देख रहे थे हम?
हाँ, because what happens is that Rahman sir himself gets influenced because he does the background music also.
Yeah.
He's the first person who saw the film. Then what he does is that the songs as picturized in the films, he takes them and then he works on them while watching the visuals.
अच्छा.
अब उनके स्टूडियो में जाओगे, जब सॉन्ग की शूटिंग हो चुकी होती है, एडिट हो चुका होता है ना, तो वो वीडियो को प्ले करते हैं जब वो आगे गाने को फाइनल रेडी कर रहे होते हैं। So that brings a quality of kind of synchronicity to the film and the music.
It was like a audio visual. Corporate TV जैसे हम बनाते हैं ना, पहले ऐसे होता है, उसके ऊपर गाना डालते हैं. It was fantastic. What surprised you as far as reactions were concerned? You know, like I know, like I was overwhelmed with it because first of all, because of the pain of an artist and the pain that came through, and मतलब जब पता है किसी आदमी को कि you know that it's not possibly the best course of action, उसके बावजूद वो जो भूख होती है, it was just beautiful. And I know that you have a lot of films where people will always say Jab Bhi Met is there in your life and this is there in your life, but ये एक बहुत अलग responsibility भी थी आपकी. What was the best reactions that you got from people who possibly know so much of Chamkila?
Yeah, I feel that those people that have seen Chamkila, met him in life, who were not related to the film, who have not spoken to, who have seen that era, when they turned around and they say that, yeah, it seemed as though exactly this is how it happened. You know, exactly this is what we were feeling. There are some people. There is Mr. Dhanbir Singh Bains, who used to be he used to be an IAS officer and the DC of Ropar in those days, in the days of the 80s. So he is a super senior from Hindu College. He was at the premiere. He saw the film. He came and said that it just feels like this is how it was. And so that was very, very good. And I feel that, you know, there are a lot of people in Punjab and everywhere else who feel that, you know, their story, somehow they have been represented. They feel connected, you know, they feel happy about it. And also, I was sure that it will not ruffle any feathers because that was not my intent.
Correct.
It was not to say who was wrong or who was right. You know, Chamkila is not shown to be a very white character. There are some faults in him.
Yes.
And you said that aisa tha bhai, and it's not about who and what, it's about an artist, about somebody who is in love, but with music.
जब एक लॉयर एक केस लड़ रहा होता है, वो इमोशन से दूर रहते हैं और केस को प्रेजेंट करते हैं. I felt bad for him. I felt bad as a viewer. As a director, did you develop an emotion in your head that, you know, while you're shooting it, you know, suddenly you moved away and said, यार ये क्यों किया इसने ऐसे, थोड़ा और कर लेता, काफी कुछ कर लेता और, you know, did you go through that, or was it too like a shoot?
No, I was trying to imagine what his condition mentally and emotionally must be at every point that I had heard from people.
Correct.
इस वक्त उसने ये किया, वैसे किया. फिर I was thinking that what is it that he could be feeling at that point of time, and that's how I was writing. So I was more trying to empathize and trying to take myself to a position of उसने क्या क्यों किया होगा.
Correct.
ये यहाँ बैठा था, फिर उठकर जब गया तो फिर उसने वो कहा तो फिर क्या हुआ. So I've tried to go to those places where he used to venture. So I was trying to like feel his presence.
Did you feel bad, but when you finished the film, for the character?
It's inside me, you know. I'm not feeling outside anything.
Yeah.
It's all inside me. So I feel that it regulates and affects other emotions.
Correct.
But I'm trying to go beyond just feeling bad.
And I think there was some scenes were so fantastic. And I remember, अभी हाल ही में एक आध फिल्में और भी आई हैं जो मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगी बिकॉज ओवर ड्रामेटाइज नहीं करती. बहुत साल पहले एक फिल्म आई थी लक्ष्य, ऋतिक रोशन की फिल्म थी, बहुत ही मेरे हिसाब से वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वॉर फिल्म्स थी. उसमें किसी ने मुझे याद है बैठ के बोला था, यार ऐसे गोली से इमीडिएटली कौन मर जाता है. मैंने कहा इमीडिएटली ही मरते हैं. भारतीय सिनेमा में दिखाते हैं कि ओ माय गॉड मर रहे हैं और वो लिख रहे हैं। आपकी इस फिल्म में एक सीन ऐसा था, वो फैंटास्टिक, जब उनकी बॉडी रखी थी घर पे एंड द मदर एंड फादर कम एंड वो सीधा अंदर चले जाते, कोई अंदर गया है कि नहीं, सीधा जाके वो निकाल लिया। आप उस पे आपने कोई स्टे नहीं दिया, आपने बाय द वे लिखा कि ये लोग अंदर जाके हैं, वो जो भी हीरे जवाहरात है जो भी हैं वो निकाल रहे हैं। दिस होल फिल्म वाज दैट, देयर वाज नो कि यहाँ पे रुक जाते हैं, इसको थोड़ा सा और ड्रामेटाइज कर लेंगे। इट लुक्ड लाइक अ प्ले, जैसे स्ट्रीट प्ले चलता है वैसे ही चलता है। ये एक टेक्निक था आपका, या आप ऐसा करना चाह रहे थे, और वाज इट जस्ट द स्टाइल ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग यू वर यूजिंग?
I happened, yeah, it became a style. You know, and I felt that you know, I was looking at myself as a viewer also, कि मुझे क्या देखने में इंटरेस्ट होगा, कहाँ मैं पक जाऊंगा और कहाँ तक मेरा इंटरेस्ट सस्टेन करता है। तो उस हिसाब से I was trying to go ahead in that way. You know, sir, I thought that okay, now I have this information, I don't want to linger. And one thing was very, very clear, that we did not want to make a sad, heavy, pathetic film. This happened, it's bad enough that it has happened.
Correct.
We are not here to make you bloody like feel heavy about it.
Right.
Chamkila never wanted the audience to feel heavy. So Chamkila's film also doesn't want the audience to feel heavy. It should be entertaining and it should make you think. And I feel that beyond that, I just wanted that, you know, you should feel something with your heart, you know, that about not only Chamkila but about everything in the film.
Harjot also, everyone, it was just beautiful. I want to come to the performances also, लेकिन एक बड़े डायरेक्टर जब बड़े पर्दे पर used to हो जाते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा numbers आते हैं आपके, है ना, वो फ्राइडे की tinge of excitement रहती है। इसके लिए भी थी of course, I'm sure सारे लोग देखने आ रहे थे, बट इसके लिए एक delayed reaction भी कई बार आया था। शायद मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेंसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, शायद मंडे टू फ्राइडे का कोई मायना ही नहीं रखता
जी।
हाउ डू यू नाउ प्रोसेस, एक मेरी ऑनलाइन रिलीज आ जाती है जो बहुत बड़ी फिल्म हो जाती है, एंड नाउ डू यू से दैट शुड वी रिलीज इट ऑन इन द थिएटर एज वेल? शायद एक ऐसा ऑडियंस है जो ना देख पाया हो।
हाँ, नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि मुझे लगता है कि फिल्म इज परमानेंट, लाइफ इज टेम्पररी, दैट्स व्हाट वी बिलीव. We believe that film has legacy. I believe that, and I feel film should have legacy. It's not like a stock market speculation that अभी मैं speculate करके कहाँ की opening कितना मारूंगा. Numbers are important because every art is supported by commerce. That commerce has to pay for itself for sure, and money is also an indication of how many people are watching it. So therefore, it's an indication of the popularity of the film and how good you've been. For sure, but that aside, it's not a question of किसने अभी देखा कि नहीं. There's so much that is dependent on the immediacy of the watching that people are trying to go nuts over trying to make you watch right now. Sometimes you get irritated by it.
बिल्कुल.
I feel film should have legacy and shelf life, and it does have. Like शोले तो मैं आज भी देखता हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
Right, and so बहुत सारी फिल्में ऐसी भी होती हैं जिसको आप बाद में ज़्यादा appreciate करते हो.
Correct.
But the luckily with the advent of OTT platform, this longevity or shelf life for a film has come through. The film should have released on theater or not. See, I am the kind of filmmaker that will always imagine the big screen, right? The events turned out in this film such that we decided to go ahead with the OTT because Netflix approached us with a lot of love for this film. Correct. So much, so overwhelming that I didn't want to say no to it. Secondly, and also they've been extremely supportive, and they have really, it's like I loved working with them because it was a very nice and loving team. That's very important for a director also. And secondly, I also wanted to see what is this animal here OTT people are saying, है ना, कि हम इसको
अब तो इजी लग रहा होगा सर.
नहीं
ये क्या है आपके
नहीं, ये भी एक नया साधन है ना. हम लोगों को क्या चाहिए सर, हमको काम करना है. अब 25 जगह हो रिलीज करने की हमारी फिल्म तो और भी अच्छा है. So I just wanted to see what this can do, because see, sure enough क्या होता है ना कि जब टीवी आया था तो लोगों ने कहा कि फिल्म खत्म हो जाएगी.
Correct.
But वो हुई नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
And but it differentiated, and then there was like, okay, so this is what television is, this is what a video film is, this is what a theatrical film is, so therefore this is what an OTT film is. At some point of time we'll realize that it is just another medium for us, another medium for us. हमें तो क्या है, I started from theater.
Correct.
I want to do every medium.
When you see this as an established director, जैसे आपने बोला I wanted to check कि OTT पे क्या होता है, एक्चुअली क्या आपकी स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ में जहां आपने काफी कुछ अचीव कर लिया है, नए दरवाजे खुलते हैं या फिर कुछ तरीका, ओ इम्तियाज इज दिस आल्सो, दिस इज अ डिफरेंट इम्तियाज,
No.
हैज इट सडनली ओपन्ड अ लॉट मोर डोर्स फॉर यू? एंड बी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट दैट.
No, it is what opens doors for you is the quality of your work.
Right.
And like if I do a different thing, a different door will open. Okay, it could be.
Were they surprised? Did you get some surprise? Wow.
I got many surprises. It's very overwhelming, very overwhelming. As I said, many surprises. But it's also happening now. Like regularly, I'm getting messages. As I said that, I think people like Australia did extremely well. Australia में ये picture बहुत अच्छी कर रही है. And that was surprising, but I know why, because recently I was there in Australia.
Okay.
And I met a lot of Punjabi people over there. And those are the kind of Punjabi people that even know about Chamkila. So I think that what has happened is that it has circulated very wide. And also I'm also learning what an OTT can do. There are many surprises in the reaction of this film. I don't think I've had this kind of response for any film before.
Really?
Yeah. Because many of my films, no, they've taken a little time to grow. Jab We Met, people love, and but I think, I'm sorry to say it myself, but you know, I'm just cutting to the chase. But it took a little time.
I'm in love with every scene of this film also, and I can't thank you enough for choosing right people also. जाते जाते ये स्टार कास्ट का जो रोल रहा है और जो मेहनत गई है, you know, it was beautiful. I mean, like I'll tell you, you can obviously make out that obviously I was in love with a lot of the scenes. Those beautiful scenes जहाँ भैया बाहर बैठा है, दरवाजा बंद है, अंदर वो प्रैक्टिस चल रही है, क्या चल रहा है अंदर, you know, ये बहुत, again उसमें lingering humor की जरूरत नहीं थी, एक शॉट में ऐसा हो रहा है. They really outdid themselves. So how much of of that are you so excited about also? You could see this. I remember आपका वैसे रवैया ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं होता है. हम लोग जब फिल्म से पहले भी आपसे मिले थे, शायद आपको पता था अंदर से लोगों का रिएक्शन ऐसा अच्छा भी आ सकता है, but you were very calm about it. But did you do a yes after you saw the screening with all the people there?
I had a wonderful screening experience at this Mami screening that happened at PVR. That was wonderful because they were like lovers of cinema. They were all there. They were stashed together, over capacity. And जैसा कि मैंने वहाँ भी कहा, it seems like this is Chamkila's akhada because it is so overfull. It seemed as though something is going to break now. And I think it is his destiny that has come into the film somehow. So anyway, that watching was very wonderful. It was gratifying not only because it was my film and people were liking it, but it was also gratifying because I felt that I belonged to this community. Like this is home for me.
Correct. And lots more is going to come in your way. I think एक ऐसा होता है ना, there is that one defining film. अगर लोगों ने जैसे पहले बोला था कि जब भी मेट एक डिफाइनिंग फिल्म थी इनके करियर में, उसके बाद एक तमाशा आई है, बहुत सारी आई है, रॉकस्टार आई है, ऑफ कोर्स आई है, बट मुझे लगता है कि ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी डिफाइनिंग फिल्म होगी इम्तियाज सर के लिए, जैसे उन्होंने खुद बोला है. एंड दिस इज वेरी सरप्राइजिंग फॉर इतने सारे लोग जो देख रहे हैं कि ये ऐसा रिस्पॉन्स शायद नहीं आया है. एंड यहाँ से मुझे लगता है कि वो बहुत बड़ा एक स्टार्ट होने वाला है, व्हिच आई डू होप दैट इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी स्टॉप एंड स्टार्ट विद यू.
I hope so.
I hope so. I'm sure that the doors are lining up with all the kind of scripts you want to do now. This gives you that freedom also to do exactly what you want to do.
But this also gives me the little bit of thing that, boss, now you get into it. I feel that the power of cinema, the power of storytelling is huge. I feel that I have not even taken my first. But now it feels like now you get in. Now don't.
Please. No need to play safe. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
It was a privilege to watch the film and I'm so excited also. बहुत कम ऐसे मौके मिलते हैं जहाँ पिक्चर देखने के बाद मुझे मिलता है ऐसा मौका टू चैट विद द डायरेक्टर, बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट पीपल वांट टू नो. पिक्चर देखने से पहले मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ, मैं जो ट्रेलर देखा है उतना ही है, बट truly is one of the most incredible films we've seen in recent times, for incredible performances and like I said इतनी कमाल की फिल्म है. Looks like a lovely play. नहीं देखी अभी तक, if you're one of the few, definitely go check it out. Thank you so much.
Radio City, रग रग में दौड़े सिटी.